Hello my beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in between. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey y'all, good morning, happy Friday. It's Flashback Friday, but this video is gonna be a little quick and short. I'm just gonna be showing you some staple products, Flashback. So I'm gonna be using this MAC Raizin blush. Y'all remember this blush? This blush came out 1996, and I think I had it shortly after that. So this brush is like what, 20 years old? So I'm going to be using it, today. Also, I'm going to be using the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. This one is also old. Also, the MAC Chestnut liner. This pencil has been around for years. And I'm also going to use this MAC lipstick Peachstock. So that's all we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be using the blush first. I want to get a nice brush. I'm going to be using this brush. So this is a color Raizin, so pretty, like a hint of brownish, reddish, like a brick, almost like a brick color. All right, so let's see if she still got it. I mean, this can match. You can use this as a kind of like a bronzer if you like. You see the color, y'all? It's so pretty, like not too much, it's just the right shade. You can take it a little bit lower if you want to, it's a contour, a bronzer. It's so pretty, right? Look at that. And that's what I use a brush earlier, and I just like brush some over my my lids, right? That's what I use on my little eyeshadow today. Definitely all these stuff, all this stuff that came out a few years ago, they're trending, okay? So I'm sure you can still get this at the store. What you know what? Let me not say that. I believe, I'm not sure. So pretty, right? Alright, girl. We're blushing. Alright. We like how that's looking. It's so old that the back part, you can't even see it. Now I'm going to take the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. See if I can show you the color. There you go. This brush. It's right on top of the blush, like on the top part. So you know. Yes. Of course, we need some down the nose, so I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to put some in my inner corner. Like this. Just to make the eyes pop a little bit. just like that. And of course we need some down the nose. Let me know if you guys have this highlighter or if you have the MAC blush or had the MAC blush. Alright. I remember I had one of these before and it broke. Like, I had it in a bag. I was like, I'm not throwing this away. It's too pretty. And these last you for a long time, right? Okay, right there. Now, let's do the lips. Chestnut is a pencil that all the brown girls, no matter what shade you are, you can use this pencil. Oh, there's some powder on my face over here. Hold on, y'all. Some shimmer. Okay, now this is one of the MAC lipsticks that came out probably, I think it was last year. So this one is Peachstock. It's like a satin kind of nude or a creamy nude. Peachy nude. Peachy nude. But it's creamy. Now I'm looking like I just had a glazed donut, right? But don't worry. We'll fix her up. Guys, when you take your time to line your lips, they look so much better. Don't rush the lip liner, okay? Take your time. I don't have a MAC lip gloss, so I'm going to be using my Sephora lip gloss. It's going to change the shade a little bit. This is just the Ghost by Sephora, but it's alright. I probably shouldn't have used this one. It's a little too... I want to keep it nude. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. I'm just going to use the end of this pen, this little brush here, just to clean it up. And guess what, y'all? My eyes look so irritated. I think there's something mascara. I don't know if it's the MAC mascara. Some mascara is irritating my eyes, even though I cleaned off my face yesterday. So y'all, that is the MAC face of just, you know, a couple of the favorite things, flashback things for the Flashback Friday. Let me know what your favorite flashback products are. If you have something from MAC, let me know. Let me know what's your favorite MAC product. This is just what I used today, but I'm sure we have plenty of brands out there. But I hope that you enjoy. All right, quick little video. I hope that you enjoy. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great day, great weekend. If you're in the states where the snow and the bad weather is affecting. I think we might get some snow here on Sunday, Saturday, maybe. Ice. It's gonna be icy. It's not gonna be good. So if you're in those areas, guys, please be careful. Please drive safe. Stay in the house if you don't have to go outside. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little video. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Just like that, guys, we have come to the end of this quick video, just showing you, you know, a couple of my favorite little MAC products, since, you know, it's Flashback Friday. I hope that you enjoy, and leave me some comments and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any of these products. All right, guys, don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you never miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye, guys.